Well, hey there guys. So Dylan and I are going to be working on clearing out this area here specifically for what I like to call a computer cafe, something that we're making. Also, wanted to show you something that Molly made for me. It's a shirt, it's a Harry Hour shirt. It's got like the hang loose sign and then the quote, "You know what time it is," on the back. Might be hard to see there, but yeah, you know, it's a great time.
Ready to move some boxes.
Yeah, we're gonna get to it. All right, speed it up.
Let it snow, let it snow.
Brendan did a lot of work today.
I did a lot.
Thanks, Brendan. Hey, man.
Thanks, Brendan. You're the best friend a guy could ask for.
Hey, what about me?
You suck. Just kidding. I love Harry Hour. And subscribe to Power Hour.
So this is where Josh and I, and of course my good friend Dylan and the rest, have what we like to call a computer cafe, and I have to get into this game, so I can't really show it for very long. This is what it looks like. Hope you guys think it's cool. All right, awesome. My mom made some vegan pancakes.
I got
so
vegan
that's
butter.
pretty cool.
Advertisement.
Oh yeah. These pancakes are pretty good, man. Oh yeah. It's actually really not bad. The butter tastes legitimate, but then again you might be thinking, well, you lost your taste buds a long time ago, Harry. But I remember tastes, guys, okay? It's been a while since I've had any butter product. I really haven't had vegan butter maybe ever. Well, maybe a part of like other kinds of dishes like mixed in, but not like this, I guess, where it's one of the more noticeable ingredients. So anyways, yeah, it's really good. It's really good. Going for a run really soon. You'll have to excuse the look here. Pretty much just woke up like this. Am I right? Am I right? Okay. I'm waiting for Brendan. We're gonna go on a little bit of a run because we got like a 5-mile run thing that I'm doing with him and my dad tomorrow. Really looking forward to it.
This is my Harry Hour debut.
This is it. This is Brendan. Well, they saw you in the basement thing.
That's a great
In the
story.
basement. They saw you with me in the basement.
Yep, just me in the bar in the basement.
Brendan and I are gonna go for a practice run, like I was saying before. We're real excited. We're not really going exactly 5 miles. What do you think we're gonna do? Maybe just like a little less than that, like 3 or something.
Yeah, I'm thinking like probably 3. Not too rough. Just get acclimated to the heavy terrain for tomorrow.
Yeah, that's true, man. Hopefully the weather will be decent. I know that when it's a little colder, it's easier to work through.
Yeah, if it's like this tomorrow, that'd be pretty good.
All right, winners. See you in a bit. Getting the light.
Oh dang!
Yeah.
Oh god! Oh, that's bright. Oh, shit.
Okay, all right. That run killed me, dude. This is the most professional shot I've ever done.
Yeah, you just gotta.
That's saying
crank
a
up
lot.
the brightness to 100%.
It's saying a lot.
Do you get the thumbnail? Like the 5 thumbnails?
I guess we got the 5 thumbnails. Excuse me, sir.
Oh no.
What are you doing in my house, man?
I love you.
Don't attack my dog or
I
anything.
won't do that. I just love this dog.
Who's this one? Hey, man. You're my house, man.
Love to get out. How does this machine work?
You jiggle the thingy.
Of course.
Duh.
Amazing. Goodbye.
See you, champ.
Text you later.
Hey there, guys. So it is the morning of the race. Having a lot of fun, waiting for some waffles to finish up. Gonna get those carbs in, and
It's gonna be
then
great. It's gonna be great. Harry, tell them how great it's gonna be. I'm going to the bathroom.
it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great, guys. Is it recording? Okay. Brendan and I are doing that man up action by throwing our coats in the
weird,
car. Talk to you soon. I'm gonna record probably with my phone, so if the quality drops, that's why. Ready, big guy?
I'm ready, small guy.
Nice. We're gonna go with the 8-minute pacers and just see if we can do it. Sorry about my
I
shortness.
think we can do it. Don't hurt yourself.
No, we got this. We got this.
I think we got this.
Yes.
We're gonna do it.
We just finished, feeling real great.
Here I am, all shirt and shadow on my face.
Yeah. We're just waiting for my dad to finish up. Probably gonna take a quick picture and then head out. My family and I just got back from Dover, Delaware. We were celebrating the holidays with some relatives. So we're now back and I have to help gather all the luggage, from our car. And Boogie right now is in his litter box, aren't you? I'm sorry, I'm torturing him. Here we go. that are on the sidewalk. It's pretty cool looking outside. A bunch of lanterns kind of lined up throughout the streets here to celebrate, I guess, Christmas coming up. Of course, tomorrow it is Christmas Eve right now. That is cool. And you know, we got our own decorations going here. Nothing crazy, obviously, but I guess our first Christmas at this house. So anyways, something to remember.
Making another vlog
Yeah. You excited for Christmas?
for Christ at Critical Mass.
Yes. So we were kind of like, I guess people may not know entirely, but we were raised Jewish for the most part, but we celebrate Christian holidays because our mother is Christian.
Yeah,
So-
and we're not about to argue.
yeah. We love the presents, man, so we'll take it. And this is the tree, this is what it looks like right now.
Was lit up, but I guess we turned it off because
Holding this.
we were out at Delaware. So that was the thing.
You're a thing.
Thank you.
This is a gift I received today, which I was looking for a very long time. It's the Shroud of Turin towel. Back in about
This is
the
ridiculous.
year 800 and something, 837, some people found this and believed that it was the burial cloth for Jesus Christ. Of course, it's been, because of carbon dating, it's no longer thought of as a relic from the time of Jesus about 2,000 years ago. But why is this important? Because to me, it means that they were still crucifying people 837 years later.
See, you're the only person that would like this kind of
This is
present.
absolutely hilarious. And this-
That's why Uncle Brad was like, I wouldn't give this to a Christian.
I think this is glorious. It's a really great towel. It's fluffy. You know, it feels like it's very absorbent.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'll ever use it because I collect towels, but this is here's arms. The arms are crossed, see, over each other. This is a person that was definitely crucified. There's the face, and these are the legs right here. These are the legs, and these are just the folds. I think the Vatican owns this. The original, of course. I've always been fascinated by the Shroud of Turin.
Yep.
Now,
You
I
have it.
possess the towel.
These two knuckleheads are already in their outfits of the day.
What'd you got, Mom?
I got clothes, a thing to hold my phone when I exercise. I got Wonder Woman. Woohoo! I
Yeah,
like
wanna
that.
smile
Is that
at
for you,
lavender?
Joshua?
Oh yeah,
Look at this. Oh, look at all these brushes.
I did get one of my holy grail finds. These two, I read these two when I was a kid, literally when I was about 7. Always wanted them back. Lewis and Clark and Meet the Indians.
I got Mob Psycho 100, which
you know the
I'm
live
looking
stream, I
forward
thought
to
you
watching.
would get to
Batman,
Ace.
the Telltale series. Batman. I've been wanting to play this game since it came out on the
Be like
computer
crushing it,
like 2
pointing
years
at the
ago.
Oh, yeah.
But then I found out there was going to be a Switch
I was
version,
really
so I'm like,
pissed.
why not just wait for
I
that
was
one?
thinking
And I
of-
got these CDs, New Green Day, and this is the lead
don't
singer
think
of
we
My
have
Chemical
these.
Romance. After My Chemical Romance broke up, he made his own CD.
Oh man.
That's neat.
Awesome. Dude, that's a beautiful.
This mouse pad.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's great.
Is that from like Overwatch something?
Yeah, it's the Overwatch character, Zarya.
Cool. I got some
otherwise
cool
there's dirt
headphones, a
between the
mouse,
metal
a
and-
green
If
screen
my bell is sticking
that I'll be using probably for my gaming channel, which is fun.
Very cool, Harry. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Man, it is very cold outside. Lots of snow. Yeah, so a lot happened in this vlog. It's not really a vlog that happens throughout like a single day or a week, really, because obviously it starts at November 22nd, so a lot goes on. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Without further ado, you know what time it is. 3, 2, 1, go.
Harry's Chinese blog.
So stupid. I decided this vlog to translate I can't believe it's not butter into Chinese. This is what you gotta work with. This says 我不能相信这不是黄油. So what that means, just step by step, of course, 我 means I, 不 means can't or don't or not or whatever or no. Nung is able, so I am not able. 相信 is believe. So I am not able to believe zhe is this, bu is not, this is not, shi. So 不是 is not is, because 是 is by itself. So this not is 黄油, butter. So all together, 我不能相信这不是黄油. I hope that does it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.